Welcome back, learners. Did you know, between any two rational numbers, we can find not just one, but infinitely many rational numbers? Let's see how. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, 2 by 3 and 7 by 9. Our first step is to make denominators same. For that, multiply the second number's denominator with the first number, then multiply the first number's denominator with second number. Now we get the same denominators. Between 18 and 21, we get only 2 numbers, but we want 5 numbers. To get more rational numbers, we have to multiply both the numbers by 10. Now we have more numbers between 180 and 210. So these are the rational numbers between 2/3 and 7/9. Let's see another example, -1/2 and 1/7. First, we have to make denominators same. Multiply this 7 with first number and this 2 with second number. Now we get the same denominators. Between -7 to +2, we have 8 rational numbers. Okay, what if we suppose to find the rational numbers between 3 and 4? For this type of question, we have to write it as rational number form, which is P by Q. So write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 as 4 by 1. What is our first step? To make denominators same. But here it is already same. Between 3 and 4, there is no number. So, to get rational numbers between this, we have to multiply both the numbers by 10. Now we get more rational numbers between 30 and 40. So, between any two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Because we can keep multiplying and creating more fractions. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.